In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an emoji into an Outlook email in just a few easy steps. Adding a personal touch to your emails with emojis can make your messages more engaging and fun, and today we'll walk through how to do that using Microsoft Outlook. If you have Outlook handy, let's go ahead and dive right in. First up, open up Microsoft Outlook on your device. It doesn't matter if you're using the desktop app or the web version, both have the emoji feature available. Once you have Outlook open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your email address and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to start a new email. You can do this by clicking on the New Mail button, usually located on the left side of your screen. This will open up a blank email where you can begin typing your message. To add a little context, go ahead and type a simple greeting like hello into the body of your email. With your message started, let's move on to adding that special touch. Navigate to the toolbar at the top of your email draft and look for the Insert option. Clicking Insert will reveal several options. Among these, you'll see an option labeled Emoji. Go ahead and click on it to open the emoji menu. Now you have a vast array of emojis at your fingertips. If you have a particular emoji in mind, like a waving hand for your greeting, you can use the search bar at the top of the emoji menu to find it quickly. Just type hello or a related keyword and the menu will filter the results down to only the relevant emojis. Once you've found the emoji you want to use, like the waving hand emoji, simply click on it. The emoji will be automatically inserted into the body of your email wherever your cursor is positioned. You can adjust the placement of the emoji if needed by clicking and dragging it within the text. And there you have it, your email now has a cheerful emoji embedded within the message, adding a touch of personality and expression to your words. Remember, adding emojis can make your emails more lively, but be sure to use them appropriately depending on the context and recipient of your email. Thank you for following along today. Now go ahead and spread a little joy using emojis in your Outlook emails. Don't hesitate to explore various emojis to find the perfect one for your communication. Happy emailing.